नागरिकत्व विधेयकाक राज्यसभेत बुधवारा मान्यताय मेळ्ळ्या. हाचो गोंय काँग्रेसीन निशेध केला. हे विधेयक पास करून संविधानाचो अपमान केला म्हण ह्या वेळार काँग्रेसीचो मणियारोट राजानो डिमेलो उलयला. RDX गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
Yesterday, that finally got its approval in the Rajya Sabha. Our party, the Goa unit, strongly stands by our central leadership and condemns this bill, for it is an assault on the very soul of our constitution. It has been declared as the darkest day in India's democracy. And the outfall of it in the northern eastern states that is happening, where today in Guwahati curfew has been ordered. It is a sign that we are heading for a second freedom struggle. This government, who everybody knows that is playing a hypocrisy and a mockery of Mahatma Gandhi's values, on his 150th birth anniversary that we are celebrating, where MPs are honoring his murderers, the very fabric of our constitution, which Pakistan was made. The Home Minister yesterday was trying to say that Pakistan was divided on the religion because of Congress, because Congress did not want a religious state, so they allowed Pakistan to go and kept India where all religions will be equal.